The purpose of this exercise is to develop a foundation of internal organization and body movement control, as well as the ability to integrate the whole body in a coordinated manner. You will need a whiteboard markers, and a partner. You can begin this level by standing in front of a chalkboard or whiteboard at a normal working distance. You can use your arms to measure the distance. Directly in front of your nose will be an X. You're going to keep your eyes focused on the X. Take a whiteboard marker in each hand, holding it with your fingers on the top and your thumb on the bottom. Point the marker tips at each other so they point toward the center of your body. Now, starting from the top, draw a big wide circle on either side of the X with both hands at the same time. Your goal is to have both arms moving at the same time to the left. This is done with big shoulder movements leftward, not wrist rotation. You want to make sure you keep your eyes on the middle X while also using your peripheral vision to track your hand motion. After 5 rotations, stop and see how you did. Your partner will guide you through self-examination by asking questions to make sure you are using the correct motion with your shoulders, moving your hands at the same speed, and your hand position on the circles were the same throughout your rotations. Next, you will want to assess if your circles are the same size, that one is not higher or lower than the other, and that the lines are generally on top of each other, and that both circles are the same distance from the middle X. If your circles do not look like that, then try again. Once you can do this, then you have completed this level.